Hello guys, welcome to MTech Viral, and in this video we are going to learn how can we implement navigation drawer in our Android application. So let's get started. So guys, as you know that I was not available from some time because of my exams, so now I am back. So we will develop some more applications, and we are going to start from the navigation drawer. So lots of people asked me that how can we implement the navigation drawer in the Android application. So let's start with a new project. So I'm going to give it a name as navigation example, and the package name can be anything, like it's mtechviral.example.com. We will press next. Here we have to select the minimum SDK. I'm not going in deep into this because I have already covered this in my previous tutorials. You can watch from my another videos, and I'll press next. So here are some templates. So I would like to tell you that when back in time when I was using Eclipse, then it was quite difficult to make this navigation drawer because you had to do everything by your own. But now Google is providing you some templates to work on something, like you can easily do navigation drawer thing, you can easily do Google Maps thing, Google AdMobs thing, login activity. So these are basically some 7 to 8 templates which can be useful for you. So I'm going to select navigation drawer activity from here, and you can also do the same if you have a latest version of Android Studio. So I'll press next here, and I have to give the activity name, layout name and title. I'm pressing the finish from here, and this is gonna take some time. So this is how my layout will look like. I have to build the project here so that I can have a good look about this layout activity. So it's taking some time. Yeah, so this is how my application will look like. It's the starting point. So I am going to check whether when I selected the template of navigation drawer, it did something or not. So I will move to activity main, and here you can see this block of code. So this is basically the navigation view, which you can see on the right hand side, where you are seeing this emulator screen. And this is how my navigation drawer will look like. You can see that there are some options already filled here. So these are basically there is a header of this navigation drawer, which is basically the navigation header, and there are some menu items here. So to access these menu items and to manipulate these menu items, you have to go to this menu category, and you have to select the activity underscore main underscore drawer.xml. So when we will go here, then you can see all those items here. So it starts from camera and ends to navigation underscore send. So here you have to give the item ID, item icon, whatever icon you want to show there, and the title of that particular item. So here it is the ID as per you decide, and icon as per you decide, and title as per you decide. So this is how you will going to make the menu items of your application, or basically for your navigation drawer. So there is nothing. So we will go back to activity main. So you don't have actually to work something on the code of this particular navigation drawer, because Google is providing you with some default code. Because if you will move to this Java file of this particular application, then you can see that there is on item selected, on navigation item selected. So you have to perform the basic operations here. If this is about camera, then you will perform some action here. If this is on click of a gallery, then you will do some operation here. So this is how it will look like. So this is basically the base of this navigation drawer. We can customize this according to our requirements, and we will do this in our next tutorials also. So I'm just going to have a look of how this application will look like by running this application. So let's wait for a minute. So my application has been started almost. It's launching my activity. So here you can see this is how your application will look like. Here is a hello world printed on the screen, and these three lines, horizontal lines, will be your navigation menu icon. And if you will press here, then you can see this is how your navigation bar will look like. There are some import, gallery, these are menu items which you will set on in the menu of this drawer. So this is how your application will look like. You don't have to do much things, you can customize according to your need. And this navigation drawer is also here in the layout. Navigation header main, you can also customize here. You can set the profile picture in this image view. Suppose you can set the name here, you can set the email ID here. So this is how everything will work, and we will go into deep of these also when we will do some project in our next tutorials. So that's it from this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you are liking our videos, then please do like this video too, and please subscribe to our channel to support us so that we can make some more useful videos for you. Thanks a lot and have a great day.